Public speaking can be a formidable challenge for introverts who navigate a world often geared towards extroverted communication. However, public speaking is a skill that can be honed and embraced, even by those who thrive in quieter settings. Affirmations can be powerful tools to build confidence, foster a positive mindset, and help you step into the spotlight with authenticity and strength. Here are 50 affirmations tailored for introverts like you working on public speaking skills, designed to instill confidence and celebrate the unique qualities introverts bring to the stage. I am a confident and capable public speaker. My introverted nature enhances the depth and authenticity of my message. The audience values my thoughtful and considerate approach to speaking. I embrace the power of my quiet presence on stage. Each word I speak is an opportunity to connect with my audience authentically. My unique perspective adds value to every presentation. I am calm, composed, and in control when speaking in public. I release the fear of judgment and trust in the impact of my words. My message is important, and I deliver it with conviction. I connect with my audience on a deeper level through my genuine expression. I am a compelling storyteller, captivating my audience with sincerity. I turn nervous energy into enthusiasm and passion for my topic. I trust in my preparation and ability to handle any speaking situation. My introverted nature allows me to listen and respond thoughtfully to my audience. I am a beacon of authenticity, inspiring others to embrace their unique styles. I approach public speaking with a sense of curiosity and continual improvement. I appreciate the quiet moments in my speech, allowing the audience to absorb and reflect. My introversion is a strength that distinguishes me as a speaker. I release the need for perfection and embrace the authenticity of my delivery. I am a confident communicator, conveying my ideas with clarity and precision. The stage is a space where I confidently express my true self. I find joy in the process of sharing valuable insights and knowledge. Each speaking opportunity is a chance to learn and grow as a communicator. I celebrate the unique qualities I bring to public speaking as an introvert. I radiate a calm and confident energy that resonates with my audience. My introversion allows me to connect with my audience on a personal level. My words have a positive impact on those who listen. I am proud of my ability to captivate an audience with authenticity. I embrace the power of pauses, allowing my words to resonate. I am a skilled and effective communicator, regardless of my introverted nature. My voice carries weight and authority, leaving a lasting impression. I am a master of connecting with my audience through genuine communication. I release self-doubt and step into the spotlight with confidence. I appreciate the opportunity to share my insights and knowledge with others. I am a dynamic and engaging speaker who commands attention with authenticity. I trust in my ability to navigate the challenges of public speaking with grace. My introverted nature brings a unique and valuable perspective to the stage. I find strength in vulnerability, allowing my true self to shine through. Each speaking opportunity is a chance to showcase the power of introverted eloquence. I am a magnetic speaker, drawing in my audience with sincerity and authenticity. I embrace the excitement of public speaking, knowing it is an opportunity for growth. I am a resilient speaker who can handle unexpected twists with poise. I celebrate the quiet confidence that makes my speaking style memorable. I connect with my audience emotionally, leaving a lasting impact. My words have the power to inspire and motivate. I appreciate the art of public speaking and continually refine my skills. I am a respected and influential speaker, leaving a positive mark wherever I go. I release the need to compare myself to others and speak with my unique voice. I am a persuasive and impactful speaker, influencing positive change. I am proud to be an introvert who excels in public speaking, contributing a valuable and authentic perspective to the world. Repeat these affirmations regularly to build confidence, overcome fears, and step into public speaking with authenticity and pride. Embrace the journey, celebrate your progress, and trust in the power of your authentic voice as you continue to grow and thrive in public speaking. Congratulations on completing this empowering affirmation session. Watch your transformation unfold as you become an amazing public speaker. Remember, your success journey is uniquely yours, and you're writing the story of your success.